Good morning, afternoon, everybody. I'm Dr. Sage Wolfe, and you are?
I'm Simran.
And nice to see you guys. We're at day 5 of the Wolfe non-surgical training. We are out in Barrie, Ontario. We're just going over this afternoon the shoulder restoration treatment. Come on to check it out, because we're going to be maybe posting the video of me just showing how to go over the shoulder restoration. You kind of won't really understand the process and the technique unless you came and trained with us, but you get a general idea of what we do. So we go and deal with scar tissue crystallization or calcification. So if you ever feel like you have limited shoulders, you have bad range of motion, you've gone in for shoulder surgery, it doesn't really matter. It's bone on bone, whatever the doctor says it is. We can go in there, we can remove that adipose tissue and scar tissue, causing it to be adhesed, causing that lack of mobility, putting that weight of the world on your shoulders, always kind of shouldering up and being afraid. We are going to restore those. This morning we did the lower leg and the ankle and foot treatment. And throughout the week, we're going to be just kind of going body part by body part. And then after this course, we actually feed into the pelvic restoration, which Simran will chat to you about, because I got to get the class going. But I hope you all have a beautiful day, and we'll see you in the next one.
Yeah, so the pelvic restoration course in Barrie is the July 28th to the 30th. And we teach you all the tools and strategies on how for the women to take your power back and learn how to do these little things that you could be doing every day at home to just help you keep your pelvic floor strong and healthy, and reverse, if you do the exercise, if you take the course, we teach you exercises and breathing techniques and everything, and you can even get rid of incontinence. In the 3 days, we've had older ladies come and they had incontinence. They always said they always have to know where a bathroom is everywhere they go, and they have to just always be on guard and ready to run to it when they need to. But when you take the pelvic course and you start practicing the exercises that we teach you, you can get rid of that incontinence. Class is usually 8 to 4. But if you're doing it when you go home, within those 3 days, if you're doing it in class and then at home, you can get rid of your incontinence for sure. But it comes down to you taking your massive personal action and doing what you need to do to help keep you healthy and not have to rely on other people for your pelvic health. So if you want to check out any of the courses, Whole Life Coach, Wolfe Non-Surgical, or the pelvic course, where we'll be, you can go to braveheartnation.com and check out the dates and locations of where we're traveling to. We're all over the place this year. So we would love to see you. So yeah, I hope everyone is having a beautiful Monday, and I will talk to you later. Bye.